attack from last Saturday from Qassam fighters.
Where are you?
You want me to call the fire department or what?
It's a place that took a lot of life. Where we stand now, it's a bus stop. As you can see, there are still signs of this fight. Around 6 in the morning last Saturday, some fighters were running here where people were standing, and there were many people dead as a result. And then after a jeep came through, and through gunshots, other people were killed. Those were people on.
You look like you're stuck.
I'm trying to get out.
Look like a fish out of water.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to think of how you could help me.
I'm trying to help.
I'm trying to think of how. Well, maybe I get off of the seat. Pull my foot. Pull my foot. Wait. No, that ain't gonna work.
You're almost out. You're coming.
What is it?
The heater.
Move that thing.
Oh, it's not that easy to move. Okay. Even Charlie got out of the way.
What?
Charlie even got out of the way.
Pull my foot. My leg. Pull my whole leg.
Oh.
God.
I videotaped the whole thing.
Oh my God.